Hi, my name's Tim Gowans. I'm your Ford Accessory Consultant for the state of Georgia. I was recently asked what a successful process looks like when installed, and I realized that many of you may be asking the same question. So with that in mind, I have created a short video series showing you and explaining to you what a successful accessory process looks like when installed. Number one,
Successful dealerships have a singular source for pricing and installation times.
one of the biggest issues when working with a brand new dealership is pricing and installation times. This is why we've created the master pricing document.
This Excel document is the key to keeping various departments working together smoothly with transparency. Without a commitment to not only using one source for pricing and one source for installation times, the program quickly will go off course.
Number two,
Successful dealerships have a team of techs ready to install the accessories in a timely fashion. A very large part of the program is making sure that you have a dedicated tech or tech team who will effectively install the accessories at the time of the sale. This can be a PDI team or a quick lane employee. Accessories can be an impulse buy.
and not having a team of techs behind you to install the accessories in a timely fashion can tempt the sales team to send the accessories to an aftermarket vendor that's right down the street, thus not supporting fixed operations.
The accessory process is designed to support the fixed operations of the dealership, so having a dedicated team of technicians who are motivated is of utmost importance. Some dealerships allow the tech team to participate in an internal spiff, which will keep them motivated to provide a quick service that is right the first time.
Number three,
Successful dealerships have their accessories in stock, ready to go. Dealerships that are successful realize that they must have product on hand, even if there's a Fred Jones distribution point that's nearby.
to allow the buying customer to leave your dealership is to risk the sales opportunity. So stocking a reasonable amount of sellable items is the key component to your success.
We strongly encourage you to be proactive and preload your lot with items that the customer will want, such as bed liners, wheel well liners, floor mats, running boards, cargo protectors, and much more.
And use our addendums to ensure a smooth line of communication to your customer. Number four,
Successful dealerships ensure that the process starts and ends with the sales manager or accessory manager. The accessory process is either done by an accessory manager or is done through the sales management team. In most dealerships, and because of the tremendous turnover on the sales floor,
having the presentation book presented to each and every customer after they've purchased their vehicle increases the averages of making big profits for your dealership. Having a management team that is appointed or elected to oversee the selling process is key. Number five,
successful dealerships help create internal synergy by having an internal spiff from parts and service. Motivating your staff is the blood flow to the entire process.
since the process is designed to support fixed operations and no money is initially given to the sales floor up front, it is imperative that a spiff process be established to the sales managers and the sales staff that comes from parts and service.
We have a suggested path for you to consider. Successful dealerships gladly motivate their staff with an internal spiff. We suggest that the parts manager and the service manager be the ones who hand out the spiffs in a monthly sales meeting. The sales staff will then feel supported by these departments and will be eager to sell factory Ford accessories.
And finally, number six,
Successful dealerships have an internal accessory champion to maintain the preload and mannequin vehicle process. Having accessory mannequin vehicles allows your sales team to show the product in an effective way. This should be considered your accessory showroom.
and having an accessory champion who keeps this process going is key.
The accessory champion will ensure that the mannequin process continues once the vehicle sells, and they will often, as well as ensuring that the preload process of 3 items is continuing. This preload process should include bed liners, wheel well liners, and floor mats. If you are doing a spray-in liner, then consider an impact mat or a rubber mat as an alternative. This person should be included in some type of monthly incentive. Some of my dealerships provide a flat rate of $250 to this champion just to ensure that the process continues and is maintained.
With the accessory market climbing to almost $45 billion in the United States, it only makes sense to get into the game, but to get into the game with an effective plan. If you're interested in increasing your revenues for your fixed operations, please feel free to contact me at 770-672-1058, or you can email me at tgowens@fred-jones.com. That's TGOWENS@fred-jones.com. I have another video series that I'll be glad to share with you that will begin the process of training you and your team on how to create big dollars, no matter what size your dealership is. Thank you for your time, and may God bless you.